everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1966 Pontiac GTO real 242 car, guys. PHS documented car. Pretty car, man. I love this color combination. It's Marina turquoise with a black vinyl top. It's got the black interior. Again, PHS documented car. Clean, original North Carolina car. It's got a good, solid, straight body on it. Pretty paint. Car really hits the road good. Drove it a little bit this morning when we got it in. Like I say, hits the road good, nice and tight. I believe it's, oh God, I think it's 2,500. I think it's 2,500 miles on a body up restoration. And like I say, good car. You can see it's got the Rally 2s with the Uniroyal Tiger Paws all the way around it. I like it. Killer car, factory air car. I am going to get the AC checked. I don't know if it's, I know it's been retrofitted with the 134. But we kicked it on and it blowing ice cold. Then we messed with it a little bit and it stopped working, but now it's working again. So I'll double check it. It's, you know, a lot of times with these old cars, this is pretty cool. The car's got all 4 original T3 headlights in it. You can see those bezels are nice. A couple little marks in your grill. So a couple little touch-up marks, but nice. This is an original 66 color, but I believe the original color for this car was actually barrier blue. Pretty car. Dash is nice. Like I say, the car hits the road good. Vinyl top's in great shape. Good looking car. Again, I like this color on these cars. Look how nice this trim. It's definitely all been replaced. I love the 66 eyebrow tail lights. Little marks there in your paint. Car's nice and straight down the sides. I believe this car has all the original body panels still on it, guys. Bumpers are nice. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're watching that website. Keep track of our social media. I know these guys are moving them faster than I can get them in, but I do have a bunch of stuff coming. Thought there was a little, yeah, a little stone peck there in your door. 15-inch Rally 2s on it with the PMD caps. 3D9, it is a 66 date-coded 3D9 engine. Guys, I know it's not the matching numbers engine because like I said, I've got the PHS and you can match that up. But it is a 66 date-coded engine. Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock Torker 2 aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds. It's got the original Harrison radiator with the shroud, power steering, power brakes. They have converted. It's got a 400 turbohydramatic trans. So it's got the 3-speed trans, which is a good upgrade. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Again, it's a factory air car, and they have retrofitted it with the 134. And like I said, when we got it in, blowing ice cold, freeze you out of there. And then when I jumped in, I couldn't get it kicked on, but then when we pulled it around, the air was on. So, and a lot of times, these old cars are sitting a little bit. Sometimes you just got to use stuff. They probably sit more than they get driven. The car's detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Good looking car. Dash is nice. the A-pillar chrome there a little bit. Mirrors are nice. That's definitely replaced. Looks like the original stainless here. Definitely new door handles, new door rubbers. Look how nice and clean the bottoms of those doors are. I believe a lot of this interior is actually original. Chips there. Bucket seats, console. It's got the wood wheel in it, wood grain dash. Wood grain dash is really nice on the car too. Seats are nice. Headliner's nice. Yeah, 2566 on your odometer. Not much for gauges. I know the fuel gauge works. Put a fuel in it this morning. The AM radio does not work. I just put an aftermarket temp gauge underneath. Again, 400 trans, dual exhaust. It's got a stock 10-bolt 308 safety track rear in it. Pretty car. Pretty car. There's your PHS documentation for the car. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Car's clean. If we get it to focus in, come on. That sunshine sometimes will mess with this camera. There we go. Too much sun on the rear. Yeah, the car's clean underneath. Those doors are nice and clean. Keep track of our YouTube, guys. I know a lot of guys are trying to, figure out how to get notified. If you subscribe to our YouTube page, as soon as I post a video, you can get a notification. Seats are nice. That wood grain dash is really nice. You can pick that console a little bit. It's showing a little wear. They have put the 3-speed trans indicator in there. Say, Jordan, air's on. Air's on, you can go shut up. Yeah, like I say, sometimes you just gotta use stuff. Again, car hits the road good. You getting hot in there? Keeping it on? Oh, I love the front ends of these GTOs. 67's actually got my favorite grille, but I love the taillights in these 66s. Again, not much for gauges. Got an aftermarket gauge under there that works. Fuel gauge does work. I love those taillights, man. Car's got good sound to it. Radio doesn't work. Yep, I didn't get it to power up. We got a T3 out. Man, I'll check it out. Hope we don't have to replace that. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Check out our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.